Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you learn on how to make responsive website in Wix Studio. So first thing that we should do is we have to open any of our web browser and then using the search bar at the top, we just have to type out Wix Studio. Okay, so let me just use the search bar at the top and I'm going to type out Wix Studio. Okay, so you're just going to click on this one. Okay, so now that you're here, just had to simply click on start creating. And then you can also click on this Wix Studio option at the top left. Of course, you have to log into your account first. Okay, so now that we're here, as you can see, these are all my websites. So I created some of this using Wix Studio or the Wix editor. Okay, so next thing that we can do here is to make sure that we have logged into our account. Okay, so just click on this profile icon right here at the top right. Now just click on the create new site option. So for the first part, I'm going to show you on how we can evaluate a fully responsive template here in Wix Studio. So we're just going to click on the studio templates. Okay, so this one, and right here, you just have to choose the starting point for our next project. So as you can see right here, all of this template are responsive. Okay, so you have this note right here, all responsive templates. Now all you have to do, since we already have this templates, you just have to find the relevant template for your website. But of course, right here at the left side, we have this category option. So we have here all templates. Just have to expand this one. We also have design templates, wireframes, and inspirational templates. So for example, for the design templates, when you click on this category, you'll be able to see here at the right side the relevant templates. Okay, now for the type, let us expand the type category. So we have e-commerce, portfolio, one page, company site, and CMS. For example, for e-commerce, as you can see, all of these e-commerce templates are all responsive. Now, if you want to use this one, all we have to do is to simply click on edit. Okay, so let me show you the portfolio template as well. And if you want to explore the one page template, then you can do that. Now, for the industry, we have business, technology, creative, and fashion and beauty. We also have here features and style. So if we are, specific with style and features, then we can go over to this category. Now let me just go back here in the e-commerce and try to customize some of this responsive templates. So we can preview this one first. So we will know if this template is really responsive. And right here at the top center, we have the desktop view, the tablet view, and the mobile view. So we will know if this template is fully responsive if you're going to preview this in this different view. So let us start in the desktop view. So as you can see, this template is responsive. Now let us try to preview this one in the tablet view. Okay, so as you can see, this template is still responsive in the tablet view. Now for the mobile view. Okay, so let me just click on this mobile icon. So again, this template is responsive on the three different views. Okay, so now if you think this template is good and you can use this on your website, then just have to click on the edit template at the top right of your screen. Okay, so let me just go back right here in the desktop view. Then after that, just click on the edit template at the top right of your screen. Okay, so this one right here. Then just wait for a couple of seconds. Then once you're here, let us try to customize this one. Okay, so for example, we would like to know if this section is fully responsive in the desktop view. So you have to remember to make your website or template fully responsive, we have to customize it in desktop view, tablet view, and mobile view. Okay, so for example, right here in the desktop view, I would like to customize this section right here. So all you have to do is to simply click on it and you'd be able to see here an option where you can manage that specific element. Okay, so for example right here, So when you clicked on the section, and you'll be able to see this arrow at the top right. So below the publish, you just have to expand it. And then right here, you can now start customizing this section. So you can add your own media right here. Then make sure that the media that you're going to add will be able to fit to your screen to make it fully responsive one. And if you would like to change the text, so all you have to do is to click on it, and then now you can start typing out your own text right here. Okay, so this is just a quick overview on how we can customize the elements. Now let's proceed to the tablet view. Okay, so from here we can start customizing this template or the elements. For example, right here on our products, we want this to be fully functional or fully responsive. So all we have to do is to click on it, and you'd be able to see this settings option. Okay, so I want this to the very edge of the section, so I'm going to click on settings, and then right here on your grid gallery we just have to click on the layout. Okay, so we have your display settings and layout, so just click on layout and then just click on the product grid. Okay, and then when you do that, you'd be able to see here the grid behavior. So we have to click on responsive fit to screen. Okay, and then right here we can adjust this thing. So we have minimum card width, the products per load, the spacing between columns. And when you proceed to the design section, we also have here the general for the background opacity and color. So let's go back to the layout. And right here, we also have the product images. Now, if you would like to upload your own product images, then you just have to click on this one. Okay, so let me just go back to the settings and go back to the grid gallery, and let's proceed to the layout again. And we also have here product info and reboot. So let's go back to the product grid. So for example, you would like to customize the minimum card width. So when you adjust this one, you'd be able to see here now that the card width has changed. And if you want to adjust the products per load, then you just have to adjust this one right here. Okay, we also have the settings. Now let's close this one and try to see if what we have graded. Okay, now if you would like to add more products that you want to show here, then just have to adjust it. Now let's go to the mobile view. So as you can see in the mobile view, this template is fully responsive. Now if you would like to make any changes or customize this section right here, you just have to click on it and then just click on settings and proceed to the layout and check if the product grid is set to responsive or fit to screen. Okay, so we have to make sure of this one. Okay, so if you want more changes, then just have to go to this settings right here below or go to the rest of the settings. Okay, so for example, we are then customizing this template, and now that we're confident that this template is fully responsive, then we can now publish this one. Okay, so let me just check on the tablet view. Okay, so this is all good. So now that we are done customizing the template, we're going to proceed now on discussing and how we can create our own fully responsive website without using a template. So let me just click on create new site again. Then after that, just click on the studio blank canvas. Okay, so right here, this one has only one page since this is from scratch. So we have to create our own pages. Now right here for this home page, and for the first section, I'm going to add here an element. So you can design this grid, you can add your own element. So I'm just going to add image. Okay, so for example, you would like this image to be fully responsive on both desktop view, mobile view, and tablet view. So all you have to do is to simply click on this arrow. Okay, so this fit the screen icon, and then right here, let me just change the image so you can upload your own media or use media from Wix. But for this one, I'm just going to use media from Wix. For example, makeup, and I will be using this image. Okay, so you just have to click on it and click on update. So after that, I'm just going to check on the tablet view and mobile view if this image is fully responsive. So we have to make sure that we checked it every time that we added elements. Okay, so on the tablet view, this image is fully responsive. Now on the mobile view, this image is fully responsive as well. So I can show you now the difference if we click on this fit to screen icon. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like if this image is not fully responsive to a specific view. Now let's go back to the desktop view, and then right here I'm going to change our business name. And if you like to add your own icon for your business, then you can add it right here at the top left or at the top right. And you also have the choice to put it at the top center. So I'm just going to type out makeup, and then I am going to change the icon for this one. Okay, so I'm just going to use media from Wix. So right here you can upload your own media, of course. So I'm just going to use the search bar and type out for brush makeup. Okay, next just click on enter. And right here I'm just going to use this icon. Okay, now just click on add to page. So now that we have added our business name and our icon, let us try to check if it is responsive on the tablet view and the mobile view. So here at the left side, we can customize our business name and the logo. So for the business name, I think I'm going to use the heading 2, or I'm just going to leave this one as it is. Now I will try to see if this one is fully responsive on the tablet view. Okay, so as you can see, this one is still visible. Now let's try on the mobile view. Now if you would like to adjust it, so you can just go here and then you can drag or customize the elements on different views. So let us try to go back here on the tablet view or in the desktop view. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do now is we are going to try to create another page. Okay, so let's click on this pages icon right here at the top left and click on create new page and click on add new page. So you can click on this one, add a new standard blank page. Okay, and of course we have to create a title. So I'm just going to name this one as a simple layout. Again, then click on enter. So here we can start adding things or elements. For example, I would want to create grid layout for this section or for this page. Okay, so click on layout tools and section grids, and I'm going to use this 3 section grids. Okay, so assuming that we are going to add here our products images, so all we have to do is to click on that specific box and add here our media. Okay, so let us try to preview this on the tablet view. Okay, so it is fully responsive. Now let's try on the mobile view. It is still responsive. So every time you add elements, it is very important to preview those things on the different views before you proceed to the next step. Okay, so let me just go back right here and try to preview our edits once again. So as you can see, I don't have any buttons yet since I did not add a buttons for the page that we have created. Okay, so when you click on the 3 horizontal lines right here at the top right, then you'd be able to see here all of your pages. Okay, so let us try on the mobile view if we can click on the 3 horizontal lines right here. So it is working, and let's go back to the desktop view. So now that we are done creating this one, so I'll try to create more sections and add my own buttons. So again, we have to use appropriate size images and optimize them for faster loading times. Avoid large images and that can slow down your site and mobile devices. So Wix allows you to hide certain elements on mobile. If some media doesn't translate well to smaller screens, consider hiding it in the mobile view. And of course, ensure that the text is legible on the devices. This may mean increasing font sizes or adjusting spacing for mobile screens. And then we have to avoid long paragraphs. Instead, use short, concise text blocks. And ensure that buttons and links are large enough to be easily tapped on touch screens. I know that it is very tiring, but we have to regularly preview your site on different devices and screen sizes. Wix Preview tool allows you to switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views. And of course, we have to minimize the pop ups. We have to avoid using pop ups on mobile as they can be intrusive and difficult to close on smaller screens. We can also enable fast loading. So use Wix tools to optimize a site speed, such as minimizing the number of apps and widgets on your site. You can consider using lazy loading for images and videos, which ensures media only loads as users scroll down to the page. And when designing a website, we have to design with the user journey in mind. Make it easy for users to find what they're looking for with clear calls to action and intuitive navigation. So, by following these steps, you can create a responsive Wix website that provides an excellent user experience across all devices. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.